from first position. Go front, side, and in twice. Reverse it, side, front, in, twice. And then we go around the half a circle by going front, side, in, side, back, in, and then show a full circle front to back, in, and we reverse. So remember, toes lead to the back, heel leads to the side and front. So in reversing it, we did back side in twice, side back in twice. Back side in, side front in, full circle in, and pull to first. Remember your rotation, remember your turnout. Heel leads to the front and side, toes lead to the back.